Hey, it's a beautiful fall evening here on CK Ranch. I'm going to take you through doing our farm chores for one night. I'm going to start with these two horses here. This is George. He's old. He doesn't have very good teeth, so he needs a special diet. This is his stuff from this morning. So we'll take these old ones out. We'll go in here to the barn. So he knows that it's time to eat. So there's his food. He can't really eat hay, so I'm not gonna put any out there. And this horse is on a diet. He has the equivalent of horse diabetes. He's pretty much been on like the dry lot. We gave him too much hay this morning. He wasted it. But he still looks kind of obese. He's lost some weight, but he needs to continue on his weight loss journey. So we'll get him some hay. We feed these big square bales because they're easier to do. Okay, that horse is done. Then we'll go over here to where this cow and my goat are at. And I also gave them too much because they wasted a lot too. We'll give them a little bit more. These horses are feeding themselves off of the hay bale and the hay net. It looks like there's still some left. Might have to replace that the next day or two. There's the goat and the cow with their hay. Got a little bit left. We can walk over here. We'll give some to these goats. There's little Gus. So there's about one full wheelbarrow of hay down in one feeding. So I split it up so these guys could have some and those guys could have some. So they don't have to fight over it. And as you can see by all these chickens, they also know that it's food time. So we can feed those next. I lied, I'm not going to feed those next. I'm going to feed the cow next. This is his. Oh God. Here they come. Here comes the cow. He heard that. We'll give the chickens some of the same stuff. we turned the hose on. They didn't drink too much. When it's hot out, they can drink that down in one day between the goat and the cow and the horses out here. We'll go check out what they got going. These horses don't really require any special care, so they can just self-feed off this hay bag, which slows them down and stops them from wrecking so much hay. Yeah, they got quite a bit of hay in there still. That should last them at least one more day, and we'll come pull this bag out and put another hay bale in there. So they should be fine. You notice the trees are fall colors is in peak swing here. Trees in the back look really good. These trees up here are apple trees and pine trees, so you don't notice it too much, but looks super nice right now. Those two are eating their hay. The chickens all seem happy. That looks pretty good. We'll just call that good. So here's another quick glance over here. Look at that. Rainbow.